If you're involved in the jewelry industry, you're likely familiar with the process of melting and assaying gold. A crucial component of this process is the crucible, a container used for melting and refining metals. The making process for fire assay crucibles is a delicate and intricate one that requires skill and experience. Here are the steps involved. Step 1. Mixing the clay mixture. The first step is to mix the kaolin clay with other raw material powder to create clay. The ratio of clay to those powder can vary depending on the desired properties of the crucible. Step 2. Forming the crucible shape. The clay is then formed into a crucible shape using a rotate press. The press exerts immense pressure on the clay, shaping it into the desired form. Step 3. Drying the crucible. Once the crucible has been formed, it's left to dry for several hours. This process is crucial as it ensures that the crucible is completely dry and ready for firing. Step 4. Firing the crucible. The next step is firing the crucible. This involves placing the dried crucible in a kiln and heating it to a high temperature. The kiln is typically heated to around 1000 degrees Celsius, and the crucible is left to bake for several hours. Firing the crucible ensures that it's strong and durable and can withstand high temperatures. If you are looking for high-quality fire assay clay crucibles for your metal analysis applications, then look no further than our products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please visit our website or leave a comment below.